Students, today we will study the economic importance of plant. Importance of plant and plant product. The three basic needs of man, food, clothing and shelter are being provided by the plant or their derivative. Even animal, carnivores and herbivores are totally dependent upon the green plant for their food. Hence it is popularly said that all flesh is grass. The various diverse economical, social importance of the plant are food. Food is the main source of man. Cereal, vegetable, pulses, fruit, etc. are all derived from plant. Cereal include large grain plants such as wheat, rice, maize, rye and barley. Millets are small grain plant grown as a mixed crop such as pearl millet, sorghum, ragi, etc. Pulses or legume are an important source of vegetable protein. Members belonging to the Leguminosae are the chief source of pulses, which include gram, green gram, black gram, pea, lentil, etc. Vegetables are those part of plant which have reserved food material and can be eaten raw or cooked. They may be modified or unmodified root, stem, leaves and fruit. Fruits are the mature and ripened ovary developed after fertilization. The nutritive value of the fruit is due to the presence of large amount of organic acids, vitamins and minerals in them. Fiber. Fibers, they are economically important derivatives of plant. Articles of daily use such as rope, thread, bags, clothes are made from fiber. Paper, rayon, cellulose are also the product of fiber. Wood is one of the commonest com- wood is one of the commonest plant derivative used for a variety of purpose. Its importance is construction and structural work is unparalleled. It is the commonest man source of fuel. It is a source for a variety of products such as wood gas, tar, paper, cardboard, resin, wood, alcohol, etc. Rubber and latex. Many plants, especially xerophyte and succulent, exuded a white viscous liquid known as latex, the organic component of which harden on exposure to the atmosphere. The most valuable latex is rubber, characterized by high degree of elasticity and liability, which make it a source for economic important product like tires, mattresses, gloves, tubes, etc. Oil is an oil. Oil is some form or the other form an essential part of our diet as well as our daily requirement. The true oil or fatty oil are usually stored in the seed, fruits and other plant part as a reserve food material. At ordinary temperature, they are liquid and contain various saturated and unsaturated fatty acids such as oleic acid, linoleic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, etc. Several fatty oils such as olive oil, sesame oil, groundnut oil, etc. are used in the preparation of food, whereas few fatty oils such as linseed oil, turned oil, etc. are extensively used in the preparation of paint, printering, soap, etc. The essential or the volatile oil are presently fragrant and extracted from the leaves, flower, seed. They are mostly secreted in the oil gland and possess complex chemical structure. Essential oil are used in the preparation of toilet soap, perfume, talcum powder, etc. Sugar. Sugar are universally present in all actively metabolizing plant cells in the form of simple sugar such as glucose or complex sugar such as sucrose, cane sugar. Sugar form the major constituent of all the ripe fruit and some plants such as sugar beet, sugarcane, etc. pulp and paper. The cell wall of all the plant cell is composed of complex carbohydrates known as cellulose. One of the important use of cellulose is the manufacture of paper. Beverages. Nutrition taken in the form of liquid is known as beverages. They may be alcoholic or non-alcoholic. Alcoholic beverages are fermented product of sugar present in the fruit, grains and other plant product. The toxicity of alcoholic beverages such as wine, beer, whiskey is due to the presence of high alcoholic content. Non-alcoholic beverages include tea, coffee and cocoa. Their stimulating and refreshing property is due to the presence of alkaloid caffeine which act as a nerve stimulant and soothing agent. Tan- Tannins and dyes. Tannins are the complex phenolic compound of the plant origin, secreted in the bark, wood, fruit, etc. Although all plants contain tannin, only a few can be used commercially. They are present in the bark, wood, leaves, fruits, and root cell. Tannins have high economic importance and are widely used in the leather, ink, and medicine industry. Dye are naturally secreted product of plant tissue obtained from the root, bark, leaves and fruit. They are cheaply used in the textile industry and in the manufacture of paint, varnish, ink, etc. Thank you.